Welcome to Investomania, brother. Elon Musk settles with the SEC. Wow, what a turnaround in these past 2 days. First, Elon Musk rejects the SEC's offer, which was really just a slap on the wrist. Bad idea. Then the SEC comes full force, afterburners on, and I think they were 100% correct to do so after Musk rejected their offer. Well, it appears that someone has finally talked some sense into Musk, at least in this particular case, and he has struck a deal with the SEC. Musk is fined $20 million and will step down as chair of the Tesla board. I would like to say on a personal level, I am thankful to Stephen Pekin and Stephanie Avakin. I'm sorry, I probably slaughtered those two last names. The two co-directors of the SEC's enforcement division, that they were still willing to strike a deal with Musk even after his initial refusal. They did not have to do that. So I do say thank you to them and to the SEC. While I held no position in Tesla stock over the past couple months, so I didn't have any financial bias one way or the other, I do believe on a personal level that Elon Musk and his work is extremely important. He's openly stated on numerous occasions, he's not doing this for the money, and that he's not choosing these businesses for the money. He's essentially volunteering his time. Of course, he's being paid for it, but what he wants to do is extremely expensive. He has also regularly stated that starting a car company and a rocket company are about two of the stupidest things you could possibly do if your intention is explicitly to make money. And of course, that makes pretty logical sense. You just go and start another software as a service company or something like that. He is doing this for the betterment of human civilization, and I think he also serves as a point of motivation and inspiration to millions of Americans and those worldwide, myself included. So regardless of their motivations for why they did it, I am thankful to the SEC for making this deal. Now, that's my little personal touch there, but hey, this is Investomania, brother, so let's talk about the stock. Now, just 2 days ago, I released a video that was strongly recommending against purchasing or holding on to stock, Tesla stock, until this was resolved. Well, I was not anticipating it being resolved this quickly. Wow, definitely a turn of events, and this changes everything. Tesla is a cult stock, as we all know. It trades on sentiment and news, not fundamentals. The stock has been severely slashed since the private tweet back on August 7th, and on the day of that tweet, the stock was at $343.84 at the open of the day. That was before the tweet. The stock is currently at $266 after hours over the weekend. That's down 22.6% since that tweet. And that's, we're not even including, of course, the highs after the tweet. Down 22.6% since the pre-tweet numbers. That's a very sizable downturn. There are two things I believe will push the stock higher at least until its next quarter, which is about a month from now. First, this is amazing news for Tesla. It's the best news we've had in months. We've had nothing except bad news, and now we finally have good news, and that's what this stock trades on. Many investors have been selling off due to all the poor news, and I think now we're going to see some of those investors and potentially some new investors flooding back into the stock. Second, the short sellers have made a nice profit here, and I don't think they're going to want to ruin that by staying in this stock after this settlement. They won't want to be caught dead being short on this stock after today. Over 26% of Tesla's stock is held short. And that means that we could see a short squeeze here. Tesla is an extremely volatile stock. If you want to be in it, you need to understand the risks. Having said that, if you've been looking for an entry point, I do not think you're going to get a better one than this one.
That's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.